So we're doing something new this year. These are all live demos. As I mentioned, there's a lot of tech here, and it's going to be fun. But I want you guys to really encourage them. If you see a demo that works great, clap away. If you see a demo that doesn't work great, clap even harder. That's my ask. Yeah? And then what we're going to do is we're going to bring up, just to kind of get you guys invited and get some feedback here, we're going to have what I call AppD applause monitoring systems. Can we see a trial of here? All right, let's make some noise. All right, that's good. It's good. OK. So that's kind of a direct feedback I want for the engineers, right? And then as we go through the demo, if you guys are on Twitter, we have a survey going on. Just to remind you, our legal said these are not committed roadmap items, but maybe if you clap loud enough, maybe we'll bump up the priority a little bit. How about that? Right, great. So the hashtag for that, if you have feedback, is hashtag AppDLabs, and the handle is at AppDynamics. Okay, so with that, let's get started. So first up is our engineer from India, Sunil Gattupalle. So Sunil is going to show you prize-winning hackathon from India. We had a really tough time picking and choosing between various hackathons. We did have, to Joe's point earlier, we had an AR/VR hackathon idea that won an award, but we couldn't fit everybody here because we got little time before we go to the big party. So here is Sunil. He wants to walk us through something that I think you guys are going to love. But remember, the applause meter right after he finishes. Hey, Sunil.
Hi, Pratap.
Welcome to
Thank you.
Appsphere.
Thank you. Hello, everyone. I'm here to present our hackathon-winning project, Simple Search. So I'm representing our team from Bangalore R&D Center, Mihir, Akshaya, and Avinash. So before I talk about Simple Search, let me briefly talk about the motivation behind this project. So many of you here are very experienced AppDynamics users, and some, like me, are new users. I'm sure all of us agree we have a great UI which presents a lot of information, data, and configuration in a well-organized manner. But it can sometimes take a few too many clicks. Let me give you an example. So let's say I want to look at the metrics for a business transaction process payment. So what would I do? I pull up the application. I bring up the metric browser, drill down into the business transactions, drill down into the tiers. So I would need to know which tier the transaction belongs to, then pick the transaction, then click on the metric. So right there, it was about 8 clicks.
I counted 10.
OK. Thanks for correcting that. So for a new user, it might be a few more clicks and probably a phone call to Pratap.
Yes.
So to make this UI even better, what do we do? So what if we had a simple shortcut which can take us anywhere on the UI in a single click? So instead of talking about it, let me quickly give you a demo. So we have a simple shortcut, Command F, which brings up this simple search model. It doesn't interfere with the existing UI. And I just type payment. And boom, you have all the results related to payment.
Look at that.
Tiers, nodes, metrics.
There you go.
Transactions.
That's great. I have a question for you. I have a question for you. What if I'm a new user and I don't know what a BT means, or I don't know what ART means? I'm brand new.
Yeah.
Somebody bought these and they put me in front of the system. What do I do?
So let's say, as a new user, all you want to find out is what are the slow transactions in your system. So I just type in slow transactions. And there you go. You have all the related results to slow transactions. And as a new user, you don't need to be really familiar with the terms. So you can just search.
That's fantastic,
so that's simple search for you.
Good job, Sunil. All right, so guys, let's hear on the applause meter. How did Sunil do? Let's show some love to Sunil. Here we go. All right.
All right.
Good job, man.
Thank you.